Alright, in this video we're going to be constructing the centroid, which again, remember, is the center of mass of the triangle, and it's also the place where the medians intersect. Remember, median connects one of the vertices to the midpoint of the opposite side. So what we have to do is find the midpoint. The way we find the midpoint is very similar to what we did to construct the circumcenter. We just put the metal clip at one of the vertices, and we make an arc that is over halfway across. So I put in that hole, do the same thing here with the same hole, and I make an arc there, and I notice I get two arcs here, and they cross in two places. Now if I were doing the circumcenter, I would just connect these like this, and that would give me the perpendicular bisector. But the only thing I want for the centroid is just the midpoint. So I line up those two intersection points, and I just make a mark where the midpoint is. So that is now the midpoint of this side right here, and now I connect this vertex to that midpoint, and there's my first median. Now I just need one other median, and then I'll be set. I'll have the centroid, because I just need to find where those two medians cross. So I'm going to do this side. I'm going to find the midpoint, and then I'm going to connect it to that vertex. So once again, I put the metal clip at one of the vertices here, go to a point that's over halfway, so I'm just going to do this one, swing it around, do the other way, there we go. And so now I've got my two intersection points here and there. And once again, if I were doing the circumcenter and the perpendicular bisectors, I would connect those 2 points together. However, I'm only concerned in this case with the midpoint, so I just mark the midpoint on that segment, and I connect that midpoint to the opposite vertex, which is right there. So now I have this median, I have that median, they intersect right there, so that point is the centroid.